Hi friends, welcome to Veena's Blue Roses. Today we are going to see a chutney recipe which is made out of ivy gourd. This chutney recipe I got from my friends. This chutney can be served with rice, idli and dosha. Let's see what are the things required. Ivy gourd, tomato, garlic, green chilies, some sesame seeds, cumin, fenugreek seeds, curry leaves and some coriander seeds. Let's begin to make this. To make, first I am chopping the ivy gourds into round shape. Cut the ends of the ivy gourd like this and start chopping. Green chilies you can take according to your spice level. Here 6 green chilies I have taken. This chutney is little bit spicy, so take according to your taste. Even though we are eating the same idli, dosha and rice, the side dishes makes it special. So sometimes you can try different types of chutneys and side dishes so that our meals will be special. So I have chopped like this. This is ready. Now let's begin to make this chutney. To make, I have heated one pan. Add little oil. Now to the oil, when it's hot, add coriander seeds. While adding this, make sure to lower the flame and add, otherwise it will tend to burn. So let's add cumin seeds to it. Now to it I am adding fenugreek seeds. Measurements I will give in the description box so that you can refer. Saute everything. Now add sesame seeds to it. Here I am adding cashew nuts. Instead of cashew nuts you can add peanuts. Peanuts will give the real taste of this chutney. So try to add peanuts to it. Roast it until it's light brown. Now I am adding cashew nuts to this. It's done. Now I am going to take this out to a mixer jar and let it cool. Ivy gourd has got so many health benefits, so try to include this into your diet. Now in the same pan I am going to cook ivy gourd. Keep that aside. Now let's begin. First I am adding the green chilies. Sauteing green chilies in oil will give a special taste to our chutney. You can smell the spice which it oozes out when we are sauteing it in oil. So try to add green chilies first. Now once it's roasted, we will add the chopped ivy gourds to it. Add the ivy gourd. If you want more sourness, you can add more tomatoes. Here I have chopped one tomato and added a bit of tamarind. Instead of tomatoes, you can add tamarind as well. Saute everything. Now let's add garlic cloves. I am adding little salt and turmeric as well, so that the vegetable will taste better. Add salt and turmeric and mix well. Make sure to keep the flame in medium. As we are not using water to this, we will cook in low flame. Now saute everything. Now let it cook. After 10 minutes, we will open the pan. Now you can see the color of the ivy gourd has changed. Now this is cooked. Now we will remove this from the pan and keep it aside to cool. We can grind once it's cool completely. Remove this from the flame. It has got so many antioxidants, vitamin C, etc. in this Ivy Guard. So try to include this in your diet. Now first I am going to grind this roasted mixture. Just give a pulse. Now it's ready. Now to it I am going to add the set aside Ivy Guard which we have cooked. No need to add water. We can store this in refrigerator for 1 week. So try this one. Now we will grind this. Let's grind to a paste. See, this is the perfect texture. Now it's ready. I'm going to transfer this to a bowl. See the beautiful green color it has got. Now let's temper this chutney. For that I have heated one pan. Add any oil. Add mustard seeds. As and when it splutters, we'll add urad dal to it. Wait until the urad dal turns brown. We'll add dried red chilies. You can add more dried red chilies if you want it to be more spicier. Now let's add curry leaves to it. And our tempering is ready. Add asafoetida finally after switching off the flame so that it won't get burned. Now transfer this to our chutney. This chutney you can serve this with rice. To the white rice you drizzle some ghee and add this chutney and eat. It will be very tasty. Try this and let me know your feedbacks. Here I am having this with white rice. Remember to add ghee. It will give a special taste to the rice and the chutney. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to Veena's Blue Roses for more videos like this. Remember to press the bell so that as and when I post new videos you will get notified.